Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is May 15, 2024. Here is another daily analysis. All right, the moment of truth. CPI just came up below expectations, so that's why market just went up nicely today. So S&P 500 just got into new all-time high today, 5,300, 5302.73. Right now, that's the level that I'm just looking at, and we just got above this trend line consolidation, another top consolidation, and today is new all-time high. So perfect scenario that we were waiting for. We were waiting for another deep down to here. It didn't give us, but we bought a lot here. Lots of good names, lots of good quality names. We bought myself and subscriber. And also I told you like this dip is going to be a buying opportunity. So don't fool yourself with a crash or something. We are just getting into a summer rally, and potentially we will see June, July, and August good rally. I'm not sure if it's going to be straight, but it's going to be very, very exponential rally. So the next level that I'm just looking at, 56 to 5,800 by end of August, let's say early September, we should just see some kind of like a price action going forward to that level. So that's going to be very, very decent. Another 500, a potential 500 points to the upside, which is going to be almost 9%, which is going to be great. So we will see. We will see how it goes with the market. Right now, market is pretty overbought. Stochastic, MACD, and IMI is just getting into overbought condition, which kind of like the scenario that we are seeing in a bullish momentum. So any pullback could be a great buying opportunity. For the weekly chart, we are not there yet. So we see some kind of like a potential a divergence, which can this one leading to the upside as well, to just have like a better divergence price action. We can see 53.50 and also 55.45. That's going to be the level that I'm just looking at, a potential kind of like a corrective move. Other than that, we should see some kind of like a bullish momentum is stretching to higher high and new all-time high. Moving on to Nasdaq, which was kind of like the same scenario, a new all-time high today for Nasdaq, 18,581, a perfect scenario for Nasdaq. Right now, we see some kind of like a good price action. Momentum-wise, we are pretty bullish. Like, look at the momentum. All indicators are showing us a pretty nice bullish momentum to the upside, and we should just give market benefit of doubt. That's it. Moving on to Dow, which was kind of like the same scenario. Dow is lagging, which is kind of like a good scenario for the market, while Nasdaq and S&P is leading. They are leading actually. Dow is lagging, which is good. So Dow just having like a nice W pattern going all the way up. If it goes above this potential, that's going to be if it goes above this pivot, that's going to be a potential new upside for exponential move to the upside by a month of June. So we can see some kind of like money is getting back to financials, healthcare, and also energy as well. So we got kind of like an interesting price action today. So market proactively yesterday went to into rally mode, and as I said yesterday video, bond yield is coming down, and market just got it very, very interesting price action for a lower CPI. There you go. So technical just gave us some kind of like a money's beneath of these candles. Moving on to gold, which had a nice move today. So gold just breaking above this pivotal point. As I said, this is going to be a minor correction, and bullish consolidation formed there, breakout today nicely. So we can see some kind of like a double top or even new all-time high. So 2,500 is going to be the next level that I'm just looking at. 2,490 to 2,500. That's going to be a potential kind of like an intermediate top for gold. But all in all, it's pretty good. Moving on to silver, which had fantastic move. Silver already leading, and this is good. This is a good sign, and we can see silver $30, 32, and my potential target is going to be $36 for silver per ounce. So what can I say? Like we just got this demand area and perfectly nailed it with lots of good names. I'm already into PAS, which is Pan American Silver. I kind of like before I mentioned in my videos as well. So this is pretty good company. It is oversold. Monthly chart. This is a weekly chart, and as you see here, lots of good trend lines actually broken to the upside. And today we had just a 2% up, and the next level is going to be 21, 24, and potentially it can go all the way up to 27 to $30 per share. Right now it is at $20, which can give us a good, decent, I should say, profit in this summertime as well. Moving on to Crude had a kind of like a very, very shaky session. So Crude just going all the way down, pretty close to my stop level. My stop level was, as I said, 70, let's see, 76, 77, and Crude just going all the way down to 76, 83. So just 5 cents above my stop loss. Thanks God. So it just got back up. And right now we are still in a position. So crude is just, as I said, shaking a little bit. So it can go higher. Potentially, if it goes above $80, it can go all the way up to 82 and $84 down the road. So this is perfect scenario for crude. Moving on to individual names, starting with Bitcoin. Had a fantastic move today, 7.40% to the upside, 66,128. If Bitcoin goes above 67 or 68,000, it can just easily go back to 100,000 level target that I have. Like before I said, this is very, very interesting. A bull flag, multi-VIX bull flag, and it can go higher if it breaks out. So today, I believe that it break out nicely. This is a good bullish consolidation. Lots of bullish pattern I see in this chart, so it can go higher as well. Moving on to bond yield coming down. As I said yesterday, bond yield is forming a bearish momentum. It can go lower. Fair enough. We just got a 1.89% to the downside, 4.72. So this means Federal Reserve is going to do rate cut, not potentially June, because there are some rumors that they're going to do in September and December. So that's going to be two rate cuts this year, which is kind of like a fair estimate. Moving on to Treasury, which had inverse correlation with yield. So Treasury, this is a great bull flag, folks. If you just see this one, this is a fantastic bull flag, and we are kind of like at the beginning or about to break out. If it breaks out, going above this 95, I should say 103 to 105 is coming down the road. So keep an eye on this. Wix is coming down 7% down, getting back to this important kind of like a bottom for VIX. So it can stay there for a while, but VIX didn't show any kind of like a top information. It's just going all the way down. Dixie crashed today, 70 cents down, 105, 104.31. So Dixie, if it goes below 103, can easily get down to 100 and even lower than 100 level. Moving on to Magma indicator, a $19 up, and Magma is lagging. And because Amazon just lagging today, Apple just nicely going higher, 189.80. That's fantastic price action for Apple. We got it here. Can you believe that? We got Apple, myself, and subscribers here, right? 166, I should say. This is the area that we bought a lot. And we were waiting for a long time. Apple just gave us fruit. That was sweet fruit. This is actually, it's still, we hold it. Moving on to Amazon, just coming down and then going back up. However, dollar loss for today. Not about price action, still bullish consolidation. A pullback, Meta $9 up today. Good price action for Meta. Microsoft $6.52 off. Fantastic price action for Microsoft. Google going up, $2.17 up. And also Netflix 14 cents down. This is kind of like a bullish consolidation, nothing special. Moving on to Tesla, $3.56 down. Tesla still is weak, and I believe that if it wants to go higher, it needs to go above 200. 200 Very, very important psychological, technical threshold for Tesla. Moving on to semiconductor, which was one of the leader today. $6.82 up for SMH, which is semiconductor index. The Philadelphia Semiconductor Index stocks $6.30 off. Fantastic price action. Taiwan Semiconductor and semis are leading. You should bail in the market just because you should bet in the market just because semis are kind of like a leader for the market, and Taiwan Semiconductor is just rocking to the upside. A potential new all-time high is coming after taking out this. We will see that just because this bullish momentum is just started, and this bull flag triggered to the upside and confirmed. So a higher high and new all-time high is coming. This is my favorite one, which was kind of like an AMD. You know that AMD, when it goes down, it goes very bad. But when it goes up, it goes very, very substantial exponential rally. So AMD just triggered a nice move to the upside. We bought back AMD here. Remember, we bought AMD here. I sold out here. That was early, I know. It goes all the way up here, coming back down to the level that we were waiting for, 146. That's my AMD actually buy. And look at that, 159 today. Still, it can go higher easily. 170 to 180 is coming down the road. Moving on to NVIDIA, 3.58% up. Pretty good price action, bullish consolidation, up higher today. Texas Instrument, this is another favorite stock that I have. We bought it here. Folks, we bought it here 146 to 150, and right now it is at 195. This is one of the best semis actually around in the industry. This wedge pattern just broke into the upside, and still I believe that a new all-time high is coming with this name. Lam Research, 3%, 3.86% to the upside. Consolidation, move higher. This is perfect. XLF, 31 cents up, a pretty good price action. Getting into new all-time high, actually. KBE going higher. This multi weeks, I should say months, breakout happening today. This is a good bull flag. A KRE, this one already broke up, so 18 cents up. However, sellers just took control on banking sector. JP Morgan, 60 cents up, new all-time high. Goldman, $7.62 up, new all-time high today as well. Bank of America hit new all-time high, 42 cents up. Fantastic scenario for all banks. Wells Fargo, the same pattern here, 45 cents, new all-time high for Wells Fargo. This is perfect scenario if you see like banks are leading the market. So this means money is going to banks. Moving on to gold miners, which they just came back to life again after period of consolidation for a month or so. GDX 51 cents up. Perfect scenario for GDXJ, already broken up to the upside. AEM 46 cents up. This is the leading, absolutely good stock here. Newmont, after good earning, good pop, hold up this bullish consolidation, 62 cents up. Franco-Nevada lagging today, just $1.46 down. I don't know what's wrong with this company. It's just going lower when the other names actually are higher. Gold Barrick at 27 cents up. Not a bad price action for Gold Barrick. Moving on to XLE, which is energy. I believe they bottomed already. So they are kind of like poised for another rally. Let me tell you, if XLE goes above this pivotal point, which is going to be, let's say, 94, that is very, very interesting, kind of like a pattern forming here. So this is a nice bull flag that I see here. This is perfect scenario. And XOP, the same pattern here. So XOP, oil and gas exploration ETF, this is kind of like the same pattern here. This bull flag, if it triggers to the upside, we can see a very, very good bullish momentum with these names. OIH, 47 cents down today, but a good price action. Look at the bottoming tail here. Exxon, 91 cents up. This is very, very nice bull flag here. And if it goes above 120, it can go higher. Chevron, 56 cents down today. But look at the bottoming tail here. So Chevron is in kind of like a higher high, higher low. And today just got another potential higher low for a next rally to the upside. 174 potential scenario for Chevron. All right. I believe I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.